My wife snores too. She snores nonstop in the bedroom, and she screams a lot when I'm driving the car. And when I figure out how to switch those two things around. It's not a cute snore. I wish it was. It's Darth Vader running a chainsaw. It's loud. I can't even reenact how loud it is. It's louder than that, and she doesn't sleep with a microphone. And my wife's gorgeous. I'm just looking at her going, damn, did your dad bang Wolverine? What happened? This goes on for 8 hours. Just laying there.
Yeah. You should kill yourself. You still not spell the thing that you're trying to do?
I've always wanted to put my wood in a wood chipper.
He spelled suicide with a C.
Was it like South
drive by
25 weeks! Here's what I learned about snoring thing. You gotta wear earplugs. I had to wear earplugs. That's how loud it got. I'm gonna tell you what I learned about earplugs. If you push them in too far after about 8 hours, it clogs everything up and you can hear the inner workings of your head. And I know you think there'd be a lot going on in here, but nope. I only heard my eyelids blink. But that blink inside my head, so it's and to me, that sounded like Godzilla stomping on buildings. Well, now we're off to the races. Because the imagination runs in the building. Hey, well, it sounds like God.
It's always...
Barack Obama had an absentee father.
Is the snore monster. Yeah, so at 3 a.m, that movie premiered.
Know all the fucking facts and shit.
He does. He was a refugee.
Because they both ugly. You know, Trump is...
And then for some reason, she woke up.
Like, nigga, you look like...
And she rolls over and rudely says, "What the fuck are you doing?" I'm trying to say Tokyo.
Apple, you put a tennis...